Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Discord stream loses color issue problem. If you find this presentation helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in fixing the Discord stream losing color issue is to check your internet connection. A poor internet connection can affect the quality of the shared content, including the color saturation. If you want to test your internet connection, go to speedtest.net. I have provided the link in the description, so you can copy that link and go to that link. Click go button to start the speed test. Wait for the test to complete and check the results. If your internet connection speed is low or unstable, try the following. Reset your modem and router, move closer to your Wi-Fi router, or switch to an Ethernet cable. Method 2. Optimize your Discord setting. The second step in fixing the Discord stream losing color issue is to optimize your Discord setting. If your Discord settings are not optimized for your device or network, it can affect the quality of the shared content, including the color saturation. Open Discord, go to the user settings, click on voice and video, check your video settings such as video quality, resolution and frame rate. Make sure that they are optimized for your device and network. If you are using this Discord app, try to update it to the latest version as it may contain bug fixes or performance improvements. If you are using the Discord web, try to clear your browser cache and cookies. Method 3. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration is a feature that allows your device to use its hardware resources such as the graphic card to improve the performance of Discord app. However, in some cases, hardware acceleration can cause the Discord stream losing color issue, especially if your graphics card is not compatible or outdated. Here's how to disable hardware acceleration. Open Discord, go to user settings, click on appearance, scroll down to the advanced section and toggle off hardware acceleration. Restart if the issue is resolved. Method 4. Roll back NVIDIA's driver update. If the image changes color when screen sharing issue on Discord is caused by NVIDIA's most recent driver update, rolling back to the previous version of driver can fix the problem. Here's how to roll back to the previous version of NVIDIA driver. Open Device Manager in your Windows PC, find the Display Adapters category, expand it, right click on your NVIDIA graphics card, select Properties, click on Driver tab, select Rollback Driver. Follow the on-screen instruction to roll back to the previous version of NVIDIA driver. Restart your computer and that's it. Method 5. Update your graphics card driver. The fourth step is updating your graphic card driver. Outdated graphic card can cause you Discord stream losing color issue. Here's how to update your graphic card driver. Open Device Manager or System Information on your Mac. Find the Display Adapters category, expand it, right click on your graphic card, select Update Driver. Restart your computer, that's it. Method 6. Restart your stream on Discord. If you have tried all the above, then try restarting your stream. Here's how to restart your stream. Stop the current stream in Discord, close the Discord app, restart your device such as your computer or phone, open Discord and start a new stream. Use a different browser or app. The fifth and final step is, in some cases the Discord web app or desktop app may not work properly on your device or network, causing the issue. Here's how to use a different browser or app. If you are using the Discord web app, try using a different browser such as Chrome, Firefox or Edge. If you are using the Discord desktop app, try using the web app instead of. If neither of the above works, try using a different communication platform such as Zoom, Skype or Google Meet. Contact Discord support team. If none of the above issues work, try contacting Discord support team. I have provided the link in the description. That's it. Thanks for watching.